public speaking. Today, I am going to share some interesting facts about my favorite animal. My favorite animal is a lion. Wrong! Lions are the second largest in the cat family. They are normally found in Africa. They can live 10 to 16 years only. However, in captivity, they can live between 20 to 30 years. They can sleep for almost 20 hours a day. Lions are carnivores. They eat meat only. They usually hunt at night as their eyes is adapted to dark and mostly during storms, as the noise and wind make it harder for their prey to hear and see them. Baby lions are called cubs. A group of lions is called a pride. Their roars can be heard from 8 kilometers away. Lions are known as the king of the jungle. These are the reasons why I like a lion. Thank you.